Choosing the right infant car seat is very important for your baby's safety and your comfort as a parent. Two popular options today are the Doona and the Evenflo DualRide. Both are car seat to stroller systems, meaning you can use them as a car seat in the car and as a stroller outside. Here are the main differences between the Doona and the Evenflo DualRide, so you can choose what fits your lifestyle best. Doona has a sleek, modern, compact design. It looks very stylish and is easy to handle in tight spaces. Its small size makes it perfect for travel and quick trips. DualRide looks bulkier and is slightly taller. It gives a stronger, sturdier feel because of its bigger build. The extra height can offer a more raised seating position for the baby. Doona is extremely easy to switch from car seat to stroller with one button. The transition is quick and smooth, making it great for busy parents. You can unfold it with one hand, which is very helpful when holding your baby. DualRide also converts easily, but the wheelbase can feel heavier and less smooth. It may take a little more effort to push and steer on uneven surfaces. The conversion is still simple, just not as fast or light as Doona's. Doona is more expensive and considered premium. The higher price comes from its advanced design and strong build quality. Many parents choose it for the convenience and long-term ease it provides. DualRide is more budget-friendly. It gives good value for parents who want a stroller car seat combo without overspending. It still offers useful features, making it a practical choice for many families. Doona has a simple latch base that installs quickly. The setup takes very little time, which is helpful for parents on the go. Its straightforward design makes installation easy even for first-time parents. DualRide includes a smart base with sensors to ensure correct installation. The sensors guide you with lights or alerts, giving extra confidence. This makes the installation process more accurate and beginner-friendly. Doona rolls smoothly and feels light to push. Its compact wheels make navigating tight spaces effortless. Parents find it easy to maneuver even in crowded areas. DualRide is smooth too, but feels heavier on uneven surfaces because of the larger base. It handles well on flat surfaces, but bumps can feel more noticeable. If you want a lightweight stroller that is very easy to convert with one hand, has a stylish and compact design, and is convenient for frequent travel, then Doona is a great choice. On the other hand, if you are looking for a more budget-friendly option with extra padding and comfort, smart safety sensors, and a bigger canopy along with more storage space, the Evenflo DualRide would suit your needs better.